All right, assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update today. All right, so the parallel channel still continues on. This one's still going on. And I do remember the last time you were making something like that was back right over here. Okay, so you had a parallel channel right over there, and all you did is, move sideways and then break to the upside. You met the target, you just went a little bit up, met this resistance, and then you start to come down and coil down once again. But it's just been like that. A little bit of a head and shoulder that was about to play out. You came down, you met the target as well, and then you tried to move to the upside once again. So this level, right, this whole area is just really confusing. This is just really bad, or maybe just suspenseful for Bitcoin at the moment, and what we're about to experience as well. So right now, let's look at how the weekly is, because this is the new week. And if you look at the weekly time frame, well, you do have, I don't know how to call this, honestly. It doesn't make any sense what it is right now. But what I do know is that the previous week, you did have one huge big green candle to the upside. Not only that, but you also made a doji right over here. Now, in the next 6 days, how is this weekly time frame going to look like? Is Bitcoin really interested to start to push up again? Because I do believe some people might have their stop loss here. And if Bitcoin wants to go up, try to take stop loss there, and maybe just even go up, right? And actually go to this technical target that I've been waiting for, $36,000. That also means equally that you went up, you move sideways, you break this bullish rectangle that I've told you so many times. Come up, bullish rectangle, break up, take this stop loss, move up 36K, right? So that's on the card. Or just, go up, take some stop loss here, and very quickly drop down and move all the way down to this technical target. So the technical target is going to be all the way down to $28,000. Then that's out of this, sideways movement that you have right there. Now, I personally still really am going to say that the weekly has been a big resistance, not only for Bitcoin but also for the altcoins. Weekly is something that I'm looking at again and again, and that's where especially so many altcoins are failing to break. And the reason why they're failing to break is because Bitcoin itself is failing to break the weekly time frame. We need to see if Bitcoin is actually going to ever break the weekly time frame, and if it actually does break the weekly time frame, we're going to see an amazing rally. We're going to probably see a lot of altcoins moving to the upside. Now, it's boring in the market. If you talk about psychology, it's boring in the market, and due to this boringness, a lot of people think that nothing is ever going to happen for cryptocurrency and stuff like that. Don't be like them, because 80% of the time, crypto is boring. Let that sink in. It's the fact. It's boring, and it's going to be boring today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow as well, the next month as well, until infinity. So that's the part of the plan. It's all a part of the game, okay? Make people wait, make people confused, make people disbelieve, and people are not believing it's going to go up. My personal take is that Bitcoin probably is going to be shooting up sooner or later. I don't know. Something just tells me that Bitcoin is more interested to actually go up and up and up and up, okay? There is a reason why it's going to go up, and this is not there's no technical analysis to back it off. There's no fundamental news to back it off. Let's say it's just the third option right now. This is more of a sentimental analysis, okay? Experience is just kicking in, telling me something is going to happen. July has 21 more days to close, right? So I do see that this here, if Bitcoin does actually come down to maybe 24,535, then I think that's game over, okay? That's game over. The monthly is actually printing signal candles, bullish candles is what is being printed. The signal here is of bullish candles. And I personally do see that if Bitcoin, previously if it would have, this scenario that you're looking at is more like this scenario right over there. I could have told you if Bitcoin came here and take that stop loss, that could have gone even a little bit more down. And now if Bitcoin actually does come here and take this stop loss, then it's probably going to be moving down, take that stop loss as well, and probably even move down, okay? It's going to move even lower. But I don't really think that Bitcoin is really interested in taking out this stop right over there at $24,500, okay? If it does come down here, then there could be a little bit of a problem for Bitcoin on the monthly as well. The monthly has a very strong foundation at the moment. That's all I'm going to say. It is what it is. Very, very good candles here, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.